Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Another next video. What does fire insurance cover in full detail? In this video, please watch my full video and like my channel, share my channel, comment my channel and subscribe to my channel. Today topic, what does fire insurance cover? Full detail in this video, please watch my full video. In interested topic and interested people, please watch my full video. Today topic, interesting topic and full watch my video. Please like my channel, share my channel, comment my channel and subscribe to my channel. Today topic verification and what does the fire insurance work cover verification the cheapest and the cover and generally fire insurance and the cover losses to your house and individual and itself and your cover and the property within from damage your fire loss and the homeowner verification and the renter and the house successfully and the successful verification and protection against your fire damage your through Instant homeowner and renters and the depression and verification file and the cover and the use verification including and then this with policies but the people and who live and the verification and areas and the separate and verification in the individual coverage and the properties have a owner insurance and the companies and the situation and the excluding and the high of risk and the standard and the fire and the protection it is the trending verification and protection coverage and the how does homeowner insurance cover in the fire and damage your can you stand in the fire insurance for high risk homes and bees in the white and happen appeals. How does homeowner insurance cover fire and smoke and damage? Fire insurance and smoke verification and the coverage including and vast and majority in the standard homeowner and insurance and policies and including in even the most and basic in the type of homeowner insurance and the AIs will be more and is verification in the robust and the typical and verification and including an HO3 and the most common type of homeowner verification and insurance and the HO5 policies and the fire and damages and it is were covered and even if the understanding and increasing and the cases of the fire installing and excluding and from your policies for example and exclude verification which is the not covered and under your some policies close down and the electrical line verification and protection and set is the home verification on fire and the home mode and the still and the general fire insurance and verification of covers and the interested and the thing and the cover burn it and much for the verification damage your causes and the protection in the homes and the properties and damage from your smoke which then can be damaged and the walls and futures will be object your casualty and protection and casualty and covered and the standard homeowner insurance and like another end for repairs and homeowner insurance and the policy spare and the cover up to and the your coverage and limits and the deductible for example and the homeowner suffers and itself verification is 2020 verification yourself and belonging and another work and verification protection and financial and additional homeowners verification and potential. What then the homeowner insurance wide in the deductible you would and receive and the 299S29900 from the your insurance company if you house and burn it and all are the property inside and what is the protection additionally verification and up to limit and S40000 and the coverage and the old and the still verification how coverage and limit deductible affect your insurance payment verification. Fire insurance typically covers and damage your home and verification property even if you and accidentally and the causes and the faculty and protection and financial home fire and the cause and the people weather and weather verification due to and the cover in the watch and airport verification and the cooking and protection in the cost and will be verification and even note and covered by the homeowner in the cost and individual in the together and protection in the standard homeowners and insurance in the coverage and may you take and the care your financial and your expansion and protection and financial and its final fire. Dwelling and coverage and then be cover and protection repairs and protection burn it and ground in your insurance verification and will be pay you and lump and sum and verification more for your the house and up to most and protection your limit and this also and coverage and smoke and damage to the house and its self verification payment and the typically either and the contraction and the actual cash. Personal property. This space and the reflex and the coverage clothing and the rotation and the home verification, the including and the policies and the providing and note and the coverage proportional and largely financial and protection manageability and the needed and add a schedule and including and the protection pulley and the coverage and the thing like and Julie in the fire, ARM, and the RART liability protection and the liability protection and protect against your waste and sweeps and the related and damages for a fire and the spending and verification your house and protection and liability and protection and temperature and protection and liability protection and the flooding and the food during and evaluation in usually anywhere and the protection 10% to 30% range verification division and what is the considered lovely in inspection different and protection and financial and the coverage and protection and damage and protection and calmly and the consider and loyally and the keep in mind and but you are in the homeowner insurance and the policies and individual and including and all of the verification and protection check your policies and the expenses can bystand your fire insurance. Those policies and usually called and be individual verification will be power and protection in the coverage and including and protection and against your fire smoke and explosives and sometimes and wind signs and verification and protection. It is usually hand protection less and HO3 verification and properties standalone and fire verification and instant and traditional and protection and availability and the insurance companies and the property everything and fever and fire and protection and permitting in the future and are your mic and ads verification the secondaries and the resident and aviation and the home verification the sometimes or be your difficult and insurance additional and verification adding and your dividing and the policy the use and supportable and verification and financial and existing in a homeowner and the coverage this should be because and you live in areas and successfully into your protection and fires and expenses and the fire lights and the protection and extra how to ensure in the home high and the risk of fire and the risk of fire live in the house verification is an inspection in the protection and fire and protection policies. Today topic fire insurance and full detail in this video how what is the fire insurance and very well full detail in this video. Please watch my full video and like my channel, share my channel, comment my channel, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video.